Hi everyone, it's my second video and I want to show my written code for the economic dispatch problem, and I solved the problem which I have mentioned in this page of AllenJ.Wood book. It's the problem in the page 182, and the title of the problem is that. As you can see, it's the generation units and it's the load pattern. It's important to say that I just write this code for this part. I just solved the A part of it, not B or C. And I just considered no startup cost, no minimum up or down time constraint. Okay. Now, as you can see, it's the original code that I have written here, and before running the code, it's so important to talk about approach. I use a parameter here, approach. It is called approach. And what's the approach? Approach is, just give me some time to show the approach, the meaning of approach here. Approach. Here. In dynamic programming, when you want to go from a state I to a state I plus 1, for finding the optimum solution, you can choose just one optimum solution, okay, in I plus 1 state. For example, if I want to go from a state I to I plus 1 state, I just can search route going from this to all of this, and this to all of this, and also this to all of this, and just find the optimum transitions and optimum solution just for one way. Way is going way is this link, okay, this link. For example, going from this state to this state is a link. When I am talking about the link, the approach, and I consider approach equal to 1, means that I just in each transition I just find one optimal value, just find one link, okay. If I say the approach is equal to, means that I will find two optimum solution, okay. In the code that I have written, I consider approach equal to 2. You can change it to 3 or 4 for any other number that you want, okay. Now for testing this code, I will play it. I will run my code. First you have to run odfun.m, and now you can see the code is working and going through. Just give me some time. After running this, you should running costx.m, okay, run it. Okay, so for the seeing the optimal results, for the approach equal to 1, you have to write acc 1.cost, okay, and as you can see, it's the cost, okay, for the first load pattern, second load pattern, third one, and fourth one, okay. It's the cost for each load pattern. And if I want to see the optimum schedule of generation unit for each load pattern, you have to write this, okay, approach, and it's the optimum schedule for first load pattern, second, third, and fourth. Okay, and if you want to um, see the result when approach is equal to 2, you should write ACC 2 cost. Okay, and it's the result, and also ACC 2 dot approach. Okay, and it's the optimum schedule for the generation unit when approach is equal to 2. Okay, if you want to buy this MATLAB code, please go to the link that I wrote in the caption of this video. Unfortunately, because I'm Iranian, the majority part of cryptocurrency gateway um, didn't let me to have a gateway. For example, BitPay and Coinbase ban me from having one cryptocurrency gateway, and I don't know why. It may be because of my nationality. But go to the gateway that I wrote in caption of this video, and you can download it after paying them.